everybody. Welcome to Ayush Ki Pathshala. Dear friends, Jai Shri Krishna. My name is Ayush Patel and I welcome you on Ayush Ki Pathshala, which is an online information sharing portal. As you know that we have started computer series in our channel. In this, we are sharing various information about computer. One more thing, we have launched the official website of Ayush Ki Pathshala, www.ayushkipathshala.in for more information. So without any delay, let's start. So today's topic is special keys in keyboard. As you know that in computer we are using keyboard as an input device and we use it to type something on the computer. Now we have already seen alphabet key and numerical key in our previous lecture. Now let's learn more about special keys. Keyboard has some special keys to perform specific tasks. Let's learn in detail for each special keys. Are you ready? Let's start. Special keys are Enter key, Shift key, Control key, Alter key, Escape key, Backspace key, Print screen key, Delete key, Caps Lock key, Numlock key, Window key, Tab key, Scroll lock, Pause key. Enter key. Enter key is also known as return key. Once we finish the entry, then we press enter to go in new line. Enter key acts as a OK button in smartphone. Shift key. In previous video, we see that there is no separate symbol key, but we have to use Shift key to enter symbol keys. To make text in capital, we enter with Shift key. Control key. Control key is used to combination with other key. For example, Control plus Z, Control plus C, Control plus V, Control plus P, and so on. This key used for shortcut. Alter key. Alter key is used with the combination of function keys. For example, Alter plus F5, Alter plus Tab. Delete key. The name itself suggests that this key is used to delete something. It will delete the character from right side. To delete file or folder, we use the delete key. Shift plus delete key is used to delete permanently without storing any copy on recycle bin. Escape key. To stop the running process, we use the escape key. It is located on top side left. Escape key is also used to close the pop-up in browser. Backspace key. Backspace key is used to remove the one character from the left side. It will use to delete the character. Caps Lock. If this key is on, then all the alphabet key type in capital letter like A, B, C, D and so on. If this key is off, then all the alphabet keys type in small letter like A, B, C, D and so on. Numlock key. To enable or disable number pad on the right side of the keyboard, if it's on, then this number pad will work. If it's off, then number pad will not work. If you are learning from this video, then like and share it. Let's continue. Space bar key. Spacebar key is the biggest key in the keyboard. Spacebar key used to make a single space in the document. Tab key. Tab key is also used to give space in the document. One tab key equal to 5 spacebar key. Means one tab key make 5 space. If we want to make a 5 space, then we use this key. Tab is also used for movement of cursor. Print screen key. To take the current screenshots of the window, print screen key is used. Short name of this print screen is PTR-SCR. Scroll lock key. If we want to disable scrolling in the document or browser, we use this key. Pause key. To make any running game or video, we use the pause key to stop the current movement. Window key. To open the start menu, we use window key. It is also used for some shortcut like window plus L will lock the screen. Window plus D will minimize all the running apps and shows desktop. I hope you got some ideas about special keys in keyboard. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Are you ready? Let's start. In keyboard, which key is used to on and off of number pad? 3, 2, 1, go. Num lock key. Which key is used to open start menu? 3, 2, 1, go. Window key. Which key is used to remove the right side character? 3, 2, 1, go. Delete key. To enter symbol, which key we have to use in the combination key with number keys? 3, 2, 1, go. Shift key. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, please write in comment box. We will try to improve as much as possible. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Also share this video with your friends, relatives and family members so that they can also learn something. Your love, support and blessing increase my confidence and motivate me to even work harder. Visit our website for more information www.ayushkipathshala.in. Once again, thank you, stay safe and take care of your family. Jai Shri Krishna.